Hello, everyone. Welcome to Back Best Product. In today's video, I will show you the best Corsair iCUE H150i Liquid CPU Cooler. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features: efficient cooling performance. The Corsair iCUE H150i is equipped with a 360M radiator, 3 120 MOPWM controlled fans, and an optimized copper cold plate. This design allows for maximum heat dissipation, keeping high-performance PUs cool, even under heavy gaming, video rendering, and multitasking. The efficient pump head ensures quick coolant circulation, helping maintain stable CPU temperatures even during overclocking. Low-noise operation. The cooler features Corsair's AF120 RGB LITEP fans, which are engineered with air guide technology to optimize airflow while minimizing noise. Users can control fan speeds up to 2,000 RPM, but the cooler operates at a quiet 34.1 dB, even under load. Additionally, the fans support 0 RPM PWM signals, allowing them to stop completely when temperatures are low, resulting in a noiseless operation during idle or low-load situation. Customizable RGB lighting. Aesthetically, the Corsair iCUE H150i shines with stunning CAP ELLIX RGB LEDs, delivering customizable lighting options to personalize your setup. With 33 ultra-bright LEDs on the pump head and 24 RGB LEDs on the fans, users can create intricate lighting displays via the iCUE software, matching their gaming setup with unique colors and effects. This dynamic lighting enhances the visual appeal, making it a centerpiece of any build. Comprehensive iCUE software control. Corsair's iCUE software allows users to control fan speeds, monitor CPU temperatures, and adjust RGB lighting from a single interface. The software offers detailed performance settings, letting users optimize their cooling based on workload requirements. This precision control enables users to balance performance and noise levels according to their needs. Pros: superior cooling performance. The 360M radiator and high-quality pump ensure that even overclocked CPUs remain within safe temperature ranges, making it ideal for demanding workloads and gaming. Quiet operation. The AF120 RGB LITEP fans with air guide technology keep noise levels low, enhancing the cooling experience without excessive fan noise. The 0 RPM mode ensures complete silence during idle moments. Stunning RGB customization. With CAP ELLIX LEDs in both the pump and fans, the Corsair iCUE H150i offers endless customization, allowing users to sync the cooler's lighting with other RGB components for a visually cohesive look. User-friendly control with iCUE software. iCUE software offers intuitive control over cooling settings, lighting effects, and system monitoring, making it easy to optimize performance and aesthetics in one place. Cons. Compatibility considerations. Although compatible with most Intel and AMD processors, users should verify that the cooler aligns with their specific CPU socket and motherboard setup. Certain configurations may require additional adapter kits or adjustments for installation. Space requirements. Due to its large 360M radiator, the Corsair iCUE H150i is best suited for mid-tower and full-tower cases. Small form factor cases may lack the necessary space, so it's essential to check case dimensions before purchasing. For users seeking a quieter, cooler, and more visually impressive setup, the Corsair iCUE H150i is a top contender. Just be sure to verify compatibility with your CPU socket and case size to ensure a smooth installation. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the link in the description for pricing and subscribe to Best Product for more reviews on top tech essentials.